Just off Central Park West sits 52 West 74th Street, a turn-of-the-century mansion now divided into 10 special homes. Welcome to 52 West 74th Street, Residence 3. Nothing like making a grand entrance.
Or you can take the easy way up.
Let's take a peek at this rare, mint, one-bedroom find in a turn-of-the-century mansion. Take a look at this wood-burning fireplace. Fantastic.
Take a look at these floor-to-ceiling original French doors out to a Juliet balcony.
Love this window seat. It's the only east-facing window with views to the San Remo on Central Park West. This is the perfect place to watch the seasons change and take in the gorgeous natural light. 52 West 74th Street, the last house on the south side of the block and the only house that has an east-facing window.
This charming bedroom has a built-in window seat and it also has great storage.
The kitchen has top-of-the-line stainless appliances and ceramic subway tile backsplash.
And the newly renovated bathroom has a great walk-in glass shower door with both handheld and stationary shower heads.
Let's not forget this great bonus loft space. Full-size washer-dryer, great storage, and perhaps some overnight guests. As a special note, this stunning home can be sold fully furnished. We can talk about the details. 52 West 74th Street is one of the neo-Georgian row houses built in 1904 and built as a single-family mansion with 17 to 19 rooms. In 1981, the building was converted to cooperative ownership and divided into 10 special homes.
In purchasing Residence 3, you will be within close distance of the Museum of Natural History, the New York Historical Society, Lincoln Center, Fairway, Citarella, and most important, just a stroll outside your door is your backyard, Central Park.
If you'd like to take a look at this really special home at 52 West 74th Street,
give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.